Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to a power hour speed clean with me. Today I had so much to clean and organize, but I didn't have a lot of time. So sometimes when that's the case, I like to set a timer or just give myself 1 hour to get as much done as I possibly can. Or another method I really like is to set a timer for 10 minutes in each room. I find that really speeds me up. It makes me get so much more done. So today that's what I'm doing. I actually ended up doing a bit over an hour because once you kind of get into it, somehow you feel more motivated to carry on. So once I'd done my power hour, I also ended up cleaning the kitchen and the downstairs toilet and things as well. So I thought I would film it, give you guys some cleaning motivation and inspiration. You guys always seem to really like this kind of content. But if you are new to my channel and you do like this kind of thing, definitely consider subscribing just by clicking the little red button below. It's completely free and it really helps the channel. And yeah, with all that said, I hope you enjoy this video and let's get straight into it. So first off today, in this video, I'm going to be changing my son Caleb's sheets. He's actually not been that well. He's off school today downstairs, but you'll see in a minute that he's actually feeling so much better now. He's absolutely fine. But I thought that I should probably clean all of his sheets. And I've also got a bit of a backlog when it comes to laundry. So I'm going to try and get a few loads on today. So I'm just going to take all of this next door to our utility room. It's upstairs, so that's really handy. And I keep our laundry baskets in our airing cupboard just here. But first off, I'm going to get the bedding on. And for that, I'm going to use the Fairy Non-Bio Platinum Gel. This has extra stain removal in it, so it's great to use on the boys' laundry or bedding or towels because it cares for their sensitive skin, but it also provides that next level clean for your clothing because it has that extra stain removal in it. So it's really easy to use. You basically just squeeze the gel into the attached dosing cap and then you can add that to your wash. But today I'm actually going to use the entire Fairy Dream Team. I love the way that this all smells together. Takes me straight back to when the boys were babies. It's funny how scents can do that to you. So to use the whole Dream Team, I'm going to put the Fairy In Wash scent boosters into the drum first. So I'm using a cap full of that. Then I'm going to put my laundry in, then add the cap of the Fairy Non-Bio Platinum Gel on top of the laundry. And of course, make sure that you store this up high and out of reach of children. Then I'm going to add a capful of the Fairy Outdoorables fabric conditioner into the drawer. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn this on. But the great thing about the Fairy Non-Bio Platinum Gel is that it deals with tough stains, but even on a cold wash. So I'm actually going to wash this just on 30. It's so powerful on stains, but then it's still great for sensitive skin. So it kind of gives you that fairy softness, but actually removes stains as well. So it's pretty amazing. It makes everything smell so good and makes it really huggably soft. And it's in stores now if you want to check it out. But once I put that wash on, I actually had a couple of work calls to make and now it's already done. So I'm getting everything out of the machine. It smells incredible and I haven't been using our tumble dryer much at all due to the cost of it, but we did put some hooks in our utility room, so I love hanging sheets there. And then I also hang sheets on our bed frame. Who knew when we got this bed that it would be so amazing for drying our laundry when we get it out of the tumble dryer. It's especially good for sheets and towels and blankets and things like that. And while I'm in here, I'm also going to put away a few things that are actually dry now. We also have this little drying rail, which is great for things like our shirts and jumpers, the boys' school jumpers as well. We just hang them up on a hanger, and then once they're dry, it's really easy to put them away. I'm also going to put on another wash, and I thought that I should actually probably do Kiki's bed as well. So I'm just going to take all of the bedding out of her cage. We actually never lock this or close it, but she does tend to sleep in there during the day or even sometimes at night. She'll just put herself to bed in there, but she's pretty free to roam wherever now. So I'm just going to put on her bedding with a few other clothes and towels and things as as well in the same way that I just showed you. And while I'm in here, there is a cupboard that has been really bugging me, and it is our medicine cupboard. So over the years, you just accumulate so many medicines and creams and things that you might need for the kids and for yourselves. I actually bought this little medical box. It's like a tin box, and I really like it. So I originally kept all of our medicines in there, but it's got out of hand. So today I'm actually going to go through it. I'm also going to check what is actually still in date, what creams and potions and lotions and everything that we still need, and then just try and reorganize it and put it all back in some kind of order, especially when the kids are sick or if there's an emergency. It's really important that you can actually find things. So I've been meaning to do this for ages, and actually it only took about 15 minutes to actually do. So I'm also just going to wipe out the cupboard that it's all going back in and just carry on reorganizing this, and then I might also just tidy up this room a little bit more.
Brand new street and brand new me, side by friends I need. Don't you tell me that you're in town, I already know, couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
I'm also going to spend about 10 minutes in Caleb's room, and I'm also going to put away some of the laundry that I just folded. So I'm just going to put that where it all belongs. And then this little basket has been bugging me. It's got so much random stuff in it. So I was just going to have a clear out, see if anything needed to be put in the bin or be put back where it belongs. And I'm also going to wipe down his surfaces in here. So he actually had a tutoring session at his desk last night. So all of the notes and stuff are kind of left out on there. So I'm just going to quickly move those, wipe everything down, and then I'm going to put some sheets back onto his bed. We've got backup, so I'm just going to do it now while I've got the chance. Or there's always that horrible feeling when you get the kids upstairs to bed and then there's no sheets on their bed and you have to kind of like do it like really quickly. So I'm just going to do this now. Put some new sheets on for him, so it's going to be all nice and cozy for this evening. Nothing better than new sheets, is there? So I'm just going to make his bed and then also wipe down his little side table and vacuum in here as well.
I would die if I saw you now. Dreams might turn into something real. Don't you give me that look, take a bow, already know. Now you gotta go. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish, oh I wish I could wipe my own.
Okay, so I've got another load of laundry on, and now I'm going to come downstairs to tidy up this area. As you can see, I think Caleb is all better now. It's amazing how quickly kids bounce back from bugs, isn't it? So I think he's actually really bored today now and is desperate to go back to school. So that's good. But while he's just chilling in the living area, I'm going to clean up this kitchen part here. So I'm going to wipe down the table, obviously cleared off anything that was on it. And I'm also going to wipe down our kitchen island, get any dishes away that need to be put away. And then this room does really need a bit of a vacuum. Obviously, all of us spend most of our time in this space, so it can get quite messy. And I'm also going to empty out the bin because it was overflowing as well.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me, wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love.
Okay, so that is the kitchen looking so much cleaner. I'm now just going to come into the pantry quickly because all of our welly boots and things had been left out. This is the entrance we use quite a lot. Like if the kids have had football or if we've taken the dog for a walk, we kind of come in through this way and we can just chuck stuff into the washing machine and we've got a little space for boots. But so far the organization in here is working really well. We've managed to maintain it, which is great. It's kind of a system that's working for us. And then while Caleb is happy and I've still got a bit more time, I'm also going to just give this downstairs toilet a bit of a once over. I don't think I've shown this loads in my videos. I thought it might be too small for like a whole room tour, but this space we're absolutely loving. We kind of went dark in this room and it is like a high traffic room, so it definitely needs regular cleans. So I'm quickly gonna wipe down the sink area, give the toilet a clean as well, just quickly wipe it over, like the flush all around the toilet. You guys know that I live with 4 boys, so we do have to do this quite often. And there's a button on our toilet lid which means it just pops off, so I can actually give it a really good clean underneath and then just pop it back on again. And I'm also going to wipe down the floor using my spray mop in here. As I said, it's high traffic, so there's often people in here using the toilet, brushing their teeth, doing their hair, just like running around, last minute runs with shoes and stuff. So I'm going to give it a really good wipe down, and it doesn't like take a minute to do this. I'm even going to mop the shower, which no one's actually used just yet. But now that's all done, the only other thing I'm going to do is just go and sort through the laundry again. This load has just finished, so I'm going to hang up all of the school shirts and things like that. That is pretty much all that I wanted to show you guys. That's pretty much all that I cleaned today. So I'm quite pleased with how much I got done, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and excuse my outfit, I was so cold. I am wearing 4 layers on my top because we've turned the heating off in some rooms. But anyway, thanks again, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.